I'm currently stuck waiting on parts for my next hardware and Amiga videos. My next 2 big retro deep dives are basically in shipping limbo. What a drag. And if you know anything about vintage part shipping, it's basically like waiting for Gandalf. He arrives precisely when he means to, but not a moment sooner. But while I was sulking about tracking numbers, I realized I've been sitting on this gorgeous piece of 90s history for almost 15 years. Brand new, sealed, untouched. And today, we're finally breaking her seal and letting her shine. For anyone new here, this is the NEC Ready 9738, a Windows 95 era multimedia PC from a time when the words multimedia and CD-ROM basically meant you've made it.
Why don't you tell us about your system there, Crow?
Oh, you know, it's just a basic multimedia package, nothing special. 90 megahertz Pentium with 32 megs of RAM, and a quadruple speed NEC CD-ROM, Sound Blaster 16 multi-CD sound card through that in, and a Courier V3428K baud modem.
And you think that'll make you happy, huh?
Yes.
This machine is part of a product line NEC created to be, well, ready. Ready for school, ready for work, ready for Encarta 97, ready for losing hours to hover.exe, ready for that glorious era where installing a game meant hearing your CD-ROM drive spin up like a jet turbine. And this 9738, this wasn't their bargain bin model. No. This one's sporting a Pentium 233 MHz MMX CPU, 24 megabytes of EDO RAM, a 3.2 gigabyte hard drive, and high-performance graphics with 2 megabytes of video memory, whatever the hell that is. We're going to find out. So let's talk NEC in the mid-90s, because they weren't just some PC maker. These guys were the largest PC supplier in Japan, serious competitors in the US, and absolute beasts in corporate hardware. The Ready series was their push into the home market. They were going head-to-head with Packard-Bell, Compaq, HP, and yes, Gateway with the CalPrint boxes that your local CompUSA stacked like dairy products. What made the Ready line stand out was cleaner builds, better reliability, less bloatware, actual documentation, and generally better hardware choices than their more chaotic competitors. And while Packard-Bell was bundling every weird shovelware program ever created, NEC was like, here's Works, here's Quicken, here's Encarta, and here's a PC that won't explode. And honestly, that strategy worked. Let's zoom out for a second to 1996, the world this PC was born into. Windows 95 was still the star of the show with its fancy start menu that absolutely revolutionized home computing. USB was just starting to appear, and nobody knew what to do with it. Dial-up ruled everything. AOL CDs were reproducing like tribbles, and 640 by 480 was considered a perfectly, well, mostly respectable resolution. Games, you had Quake, MechWarrior 2, Warcraft 2, Tomb Raider, Duke Nukem 3D, Blood, Red Alert, Flight Simulator 95. Honestly, if you had a Pentium 233 like this one, you were basically the king of the block. And the multimedia hype? Oh, the multimedia hype. If your PC could play a video clip the size of a postage stamp at 12 frames per second, that was futuristic. So the NEC Ready 9738 wasn't just another PC. This thing was a gateway to a whole cultural moment. My specific unit here has been sealed since the 90s. Original tape, original packaging, original packing air molecules trapped in there from the Clinton administration. I've had it sitting on a shelf for about 15 years, waiting for a moment where I could do it justice. I think today qualifies. Brand new old stock like this, it's rare. Not kinda rare, not eBay rare. I mean archival rare. You don't just find 90s PCs sealed unless someone forgot about them in a warehouse behind a stack of beige tax machines. So today we get to open a time capsule, and I get to finally see what a factory fresh NEC Ready looks like. I am unreasonably excited. All right, let's not wait another 15 years. Let's dig in. Okay, here she is, all assembled, all original, and ready for her very first breath of electricity. Sadly, I don't have a matching NEC CRT monitor to pair with her, so I guess I'll start looking. The Dell flat panel will have to do, for now. And take a look at that beautiful new keyboard. I can't wait to get my hands all over it. So, if this thing posts first try, someone owes me a lottery ticket. Sounds like she's going to need some new fans. Looking good. Here it is, the pure, untouched Windows 95 environment. This is what a fresh install used to look like before we all destroyed it with WinZip trials and Wares downloads from your neighborhood IRC F-serve. Let's poke around a bit, see what software came pre-installed, and of course, let's install a game. Let's see if we can load up Diablo. She's thinking. Looks like a new CD-ROM might be in her future. Looks like I won't be installing any games because the CD-ROM is being finicky. We'll have to come back to that in a new video after I install a new CD-ROM. Maybe we can try out this TDK drive. All right, let's power her down for now. I opened her up so we could have a quick peek inside. Looks like we have an old riser card in place with 3 ISA slots and 3 PCI slots. I'm definitely going to need to put a real Sound Blaster card in here and a higher end video card, since it looks like all I've got is an onboard S3 chip. So that was the NEC Ready 9738. Unboxed, brand new, almost 30 years after it rolled off the factory line. Honestly, this was one of the coolest retro experiences I've ever had, and I'm thrilled I got to share it with you. What do you think I should upgrade? What are your video card and sound card suggestions for this machine? If you enjoyed this little detour while I wait on parts for the NeXT and Amiga videos, don't worry, those are still coming. And now, apparently, I've set up a new precedent that if I sit on hardware for a decade, eventually I will unbox it. So, subscribe if you want to see what other trouble I can get myself into. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, join me on Patreon for more exclusive footage, behind the scenes video, and more.